we'll guide you through how to find jobs on ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to clickup.com. Once you're there, scroll down to the very bottom of the homepage. You'll see a section called Careers in the footer. Click on that link, and it will take you to ClickUp's career page. Here, you'll find a list of currently available job openings. Use the filters on the side to narrow down your search by department, location, or type of job, such as full-time or part-time. If you're looking for remote positions, make sure to select the remote option in the location filter. Once you've found a job that interests you, click on the job title to view more details about the role, including responsibilities, requirements, and benefits. If you decide you want to apply, click the Apply Now button, which will direct you to a form where you can submit your application. Make sure to have your resume and cover letter ready to upload. It's a good idea to tailor these documents to highlight the skills and experiences that best match the job description. And remember, if the position isn't a perfect match, but you still love the company, keep an eye on their career page as new opportunities can pop up anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.